This user has an account that's logged in as Sid. Now, Sid has called me up as the help desk agent and has asked me for some assistance in installing an application. And that's because Sid is just a user of this computer, not an administrator. So Sid would like to install an application. I'm just going to choose the Notepad++ application, which we can get to online. So I remote into Sid's computer and I go ahead and do a search for Notepad++. And I'm going to choose the download, make sure it's a legitimate certificate, and it is. It says the connection is secure, and it is the certificate I'm expecting. So I'll go to download Notepad++. And after it's installed, when the user tries to install it themselves, they'll get an error message saying that they don't have the proper rights to do that. So I go to the download folder and right click and choose to run as administrator. And now it's going to prompt me for an account that has administrator access. And I've typed in my domain administrator, but you can choose any account that has administrator access to the computer, which by default all domain admins have to a domain joined computer. And I'm going to choose the language that I want, and now I can go ahead and install my application for this particular user. And I don't receive any error messages, and I should be able to open it right up as soon as it's done. And there it is. Installing applications for users will be a regular occurrence for help desk staff, especially when users don't have rights to do it themselves, as most organizations are set up that way. And the reason for that is to help keep malware from getting installed on the computer, so that way you only install trusted applications. Now, you can push applications out through Group Policy, Configuration Manager, Intune, many different ways of doing it, and you'll be assigned one or multiple different ways as a help desk agent. But the rules still apply that only someone with administrator access should be able to do that installation, whether it happens automatically in the background or happens manually, as you have seen here.